take this with great honor. I would like to welcome Rahul Chintamani Deshpande, CEO, EnviroCare Labs. Over to you, Mr. Deshpande.
Well, thanks, Deenal. Good morning, good afternoon to all.
Good morning, good afternoon, sir. Good to see you.
Yeah, same here. Just allow me a moment and let me know when you can, see the slide deck.
Yes, so we can see the deck.
Okay, perfect. So welcome all, and I think it's a immense pleasure to be a knowledge partner to EnviroCare Green Awards. I think there is a lot which is going to be spoken about the awards and the kind of attendance that we got and the kind of awards that are going to be conferred on the rightful candidates. So while we do that, let me quickly take you through our journey as EnviroCare, our journey towards sustainability. So a bit about us, I think, we have been here for over 4 decades, supporting our customers in the monitoring, analysis, research, training, inspection, focusing primarily on the 3 golden rules. The simple rules that we follow at EnviroCare are passion. This passion is to ensure that we give out competent solutions to all our stakeholders. Precision, nothing works without precision, and especially, we work around precision for all our deliverables, internal, external as well. And partnership, with our customers, with our stakeholders. Enclosed are the authorizations that we have, from various authorities. The key takeaway here is that, we work towards secured analytical results. We give the right technical assistance and, of course, believe in quality deliverables. We work on, 2 elements, I would say. Analysis, of course, our focus area being a approved and a recognized laboratory. Our core area of operations is around food, environment, the export consignments that are moving out of India, and of course the pharmaceutical analysis, where we support the pharmaceutical industry as well. Apart from that, our team very closely works with our customers in terms of supporting them for energy audits, water audits, food safety audits, and of course environmental audits. Interestingly, when we look at our journey for the last 40 years, we have been aligned to the sustainability goals mentioned above. The goal number 6, 12, 13, 14, and 15 as well. Because all our customers, our stakeholders, are one way or the other associated, with the analysis where the products are being consumed or taken forward to other areas. 40 years of test with trust. As I mentioned, we are a world-class facility. 2 of our locations, one in Thane, that is closer to Mumbai, and of course Pune, where we support the Maharashtra and beyond area with our laboratory there. I'm proud to say that we have got a team of 200+ scientists and executives who are relentlessly working towards supporting our customers. And of course, we have got facilities which are approved and accredited, for the chemical, biological, as well as the mechanical parameters. The interesting parameter to put across here is that, we believe, that we have to set a benchmark that, the quality which is tested in India is nothing less than what is available during the pool, globally. And of course, quality is the business plan. That's the final comment here. Center for Continual Education and Research is something that, we are working on. This is a separate wing within the EnviroCare Labs facility. And here we focus on quality education. And of course, this is an innovative way, to reach out to the younger generation, to industrial professionals, to bridge the gap between the educational institutes as well as what the requirements are for the industry. Apart from this initiative, where we give a postgraduate diploma in food safety and quality management, we have got various programs, which are focusing on the technical as well as the soft skill elements which are required for the industry today. More than 300 plus industrial professionals have been trained over the last couple of years. We started this initiative in 2013. IGBC Platinum rated facility, a very interesting element, and I would take a couple of minutes to speak about it here. But I would say that we are extremely proud to say that EnviroCare Labs is one of the first facility to be certified as a green building, especially within the laboratory space. Some of the attributes which we have been working very closely, and what has been incorporated within our facility is that 24% of our electricity requirements have been taken care by the rooftop solar PV panels. The latest number that we have, and this comes from an app which is a dynamic app. So equivalent trees planted as on July 2021 is 2,589. A very proud fact for us. Not only that, 86,749 kgs of CO2 emissions have been saved by our organization till July 2021. And as you can see, this is clearly aligned with the sustainability goals. Moving forward, one of the first facilities, and probably the only facility having a wet scrubber system for the hazardous fumes. So whatever we analyze in terms of the waste which is being generated is being taken care internally, be it the gases which have to be released outside to the atmosphere, or which the effluent is being generated. Here again, there are sustainability goals which we directed towards, which we work very closely towards. Steps towards sustainability, not only the kind of initiatives that we have taken, but also segregation of waste, pre as well as post occupation, is something which we very closely follow, and our team is taking care of that element. Very interesting part which I would like to share is that our facility actually has close to 57 outdoor trees which have been nurtured and groomed, and plus as an initiative we have planted close to 221 indoor plants, and the count is moving up because the team is really glad to ensure that we would create an atmosphere which really is is conducive to working great. So here as well, the factors of climate action, good health and well-being, as well as sustainable elements towards production is being taken care of. Again, to sum up, we are very proud to be associated with the EnviroCare Green Awards. We would like to be associated with the thought of encouraging, empowering, and enriching whoever is associated with this thought process. And here as well, the concept with which we wanted to be associated with the EnviroCare Green Awards is summed up there, that we believe in quality education. We would like to have initiatives which are directed towards the industry, as well as building up infrastructures that are really of the future. And finally, we would like to partner with all our stakeholders, be it our customers, be it associates, be it the EnviroCare Green Awards, the nominees or the winners as well. So partnership is something that we believe in, and we would want to take it forward. So thank you so very much. So what I would do now is that I would come to the interesting part, and I would take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Nilesh Amrutkar, the founder chairman, EnviroCare Green Awards, the managing director, EnviroCare Green Awards. I would